Oh, welcome to the Cooking Journal, man. Hey, I'm glad y'all came back to this special edition here. Now, you know, I told you I hooked up with Sterling Whitley, and he gave me some bison meat, and this time I'm gonna do a little bit different, you know what I'm saying, with these seal. And these seal kind of like, they be like almost like filet mignon steaks from the bison. And we're gonna show you what I'm gonna do with them there. And man, they're gonna come out excellent. You know what I'm saying? You know, doing this type of stuff, you know, and traveling the world and doing different recipes, is, you know, you coming down to, when you're doing this, this is something that I normally don't do as often, a lot of exotic, but I do a lot of wildlife, but not exotic animal. But I got an idea for this one here, you know what I'm saying? And see, I had to get ready for this here. You see, I got my daddy hard bottom shoes on, and this gonna be kind of a little challenge for me, but I got a perfect way I'm gonna do these here. This bison meat, I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. So man, you know, it's new territory for me. You know, I remember like the first time when I went to, that's why I got these shoes on. When I went to Ireland, and I can get, you don't think I can get, I'll show you, hold on. Ask somebody. Alrighty, welcome back to the Cooking General. We're getting ready to do our, like I said, I like to call them filet mignon part of the steak. They real thick cut, but we're gonna do some kebabs out of these here. And we got the bison here. We're gonna go ahead and get this here room temperature, gonna get it waxed off and get it ready to go. And then you're gonna also, you know, I gotta have my kebab sticks here. I'm gonna soak some of them in water. And you gotta have your butter. Now I'm gonna put on mine, I got these baby bella mushrooms. I'm gonna use onion, bell pepper, garlic, and I got me a couple of chili peppers. And the only kind of seasons I'm gonna use this one here, there. I'm gonna say Worcestershire. Worcestershire, don't make sure. Salt, pepper, and we're gonna put some Tony's. Man, let's get this together. Cooking, ask somebody. All right, welcome back to the Cooking General. Now, as you can see, I got my meat marinating. And the only thing I did to meat, I sliced it in about 3 parts because they were pretty thick, and I got enough now to get my squares out of them. And I'm gonna cut them in squares. I'm just letting them marinate for a little bit. And I got my salt and pepper on them. That's the only season I'm gonna use on these is just salt and pepper. And then, get out of my face. And then for anything else, I got my mushrooms over here. Now I sauteed my mushrooms in a little butter. Not really sauteed them sauce off. I just want a little flavor to go through them because I'm gonna use this here sauce also to braise my meat on my kebabs. And the only thing I did was added my garlic, my mushrooms, and I put a little of Tony's on it. And that's about how I want it. Not cooked, they still hard, but I just wanted that flavor to kick in a little bit with that garlic and butter off in there. And the other vegetables, they gonna go on raw. So let's get these kebabs made and make sure you get your pit going. Cooking General, ask somebody. All right, welcome back to the Cooking General. You see, I got my pit going, and here they go. Yep. And we finna get these bison kebabs done. And you talking about good. All right, let's get them on this far. Cooking General, ask somebody. All righty, we got them done now. Man, I'm telling you, this is good now. Like I said, man, Sterling Whitley, I'm telling you, Whitley Bottom Bison. So, man, y'all want to check them out on Instagram? It's at TX Bison for you. And let's get this a try. Man. Nice, tender, well seasoned. Let's conclude this video. Cooking General, ask somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking General, man. We just finished that, man. I tell you, that was awesome. Man, I'd give a shout out to Sterling, man. Like I say, there you go, Sterling. And y'all can want to find out that kind of meat, you know, just go to Whitley Bottom Bison. And he got you can check him out on Instagram at Texas Bison for you. Man, that was good, man. Man, it's getting hot out here, man. Oh, man, I ain't finna, no, hell no. Nope, too hot. Play that clip from the beginning. Ask somebody.